All religions purport to working towards peace, but it only seems ever so elusive. When will there be true lasting peace in the entire world?
True lasting peace in the entire world is not possible. You can look at the animal kingdom that is part of the world. Now, what will a carnivore eat if there is to be peace for the prey? So, in allowing peace for the prey, the predator loses their peace. So, there is no possibility whatsoever of true lasting peace in the entire world. But what is possible? What is possible is true lasting peace in the heart of the individual. That is absolutely possible. And when you find a collective with true lasting peace in each individual, in that collective, you will find complete, true, lasting peace. Remember, when you have true, lasting peace in your heart, even bodily harm to yourself does not, in any sense, come in the way of that peace. So the peace remains irrespective of the existence of that individual in a bodily form also. And that is the only thing that religion actually tries to teach. The problem with religion is it takes off from spirituality, which actually teaches how true lasting peace can be found by every individual right inside, and it tries to expand it to the collective. And in trying to expand it to the collective, it ends up often being the handmaiden of that which actually actively comes in the way of the peace itself. But that's how the world is.